Before or after solar installation transformation. Before installation. Before solar, high electricity bills, frequent power cuts, and a constant worry about rising costs. Then came the smart choice, installing a solar power system, designed for long-term savings and clean energy. After installation. Now, zero electricity bills, uninterrupted power supply, and the satisfaction of going green. Switch to solar today, save money, save energy, and save the planet. Enjoyed this transformation? Like the video, subscribe to our channel, and share it with your friends. Let's go solar together.